Today we're going to talk about limits. Limits is probably a topic that you have not learned about before. This is the first topic for calculus, so it's important that we start it now, since next year is going to go very quickly. What is a limit? You probably don't know yet, but a limit examines what happens at the y value of the function as x approaches a particular number. Now let's talk about how we see that in so far as what it looks like. So this is the standard form for a limit. It says the limit as x approaches the number a of a function f of x equals L. And L has to be a number. We're going to talk a little bit later about how L has to be a number, but we sometimes say it approaches infinity, even though infinity is not a number. So now let's start using algebra to solve these limits. Our first try is always plugging in the x value first, and sometimes that works and there's nothing else we need to do for it. So for this one, if we wanted to plug in, it would be the limit as x goes to 3 of 2 times 3 plus 4, or 6 plus 4 is 10. So my limit is 10. This would look like a straight line. So let's see, up 2 over 1 would look something like this. It's just a straight line, no holes, no jumps, no gaps. It's continuous. That's a word that we're using for the first time now, continuous. These continuous functions are definitely our friends. And as we get close to 3, this function is 10. Let's take a look at this other problem. Again, we're always going to start by plugging in. So we have the square root of 5 times 3 minus 4. So the square root of 15 minus 4, or the square root of 11. Again, this is another continuous function, so we don't have any jumps or any discontinuities to deal with. So the limit as x goes to 3 of the square root of 5x minus 4 is 11.